Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the video. And as you can tell, it is freezing cold here in Georgia this morning. November 25th, Thanksgiving Day. Hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving Day. But this morning we're out here early and we're going to get the big green egg going. Get a good 350 degree cook going on it. We're going to put turkey on it. And I'm going to show you what I got here and we'll go ahead and get started. And because it'll take a little while because it's 27 degrees out here this morning and it's going to take a little while to get this sucker going. So y'all hang with me here. Okay, as you can see, I got the turkey watchdog here. And there she goes. So here's my big green egg. It's medium size. But it's just fine for me and Tanya and cooking a turkey. So right now I'm going to use indirect heat, so I've got all the charcoal or the lump charcoal over here on one side and it'll get air on this other side. So I got a couple of these big green egg speed lights, speedy light. I'm going to tuck those in underneath the charcoal. And I got my handy dandy automatic match here. Got the dampener opening on the bottom. I'm gonna leave it open. I'm gonna let it come up to heat. Close it off. I've got my thermometer already ready to go. So now I will go in and get the bird ready. So I don't know if I'm gonna show you me spatchcocking the bird, but spatchcocking means that you're gonna cut the backbone out of it and flatten it so you have a good even cook. So I'm gonna go do that and then we'll season it up out here and put it on the grill. Alright, so here is the spatchcocked turkey. It's about 12 pounds. It was 12 and a half, but I cut the backbone out. So it's been in the brine. I got my grill. There's my thermometer. It's sitting right here at 385. I just barely got the dampeners open. Got indirect heat. So the bird will go over here on this side. So what I got some Everglades fish and chicken. And I got some Everglades cactus dust. Now the cactus dust give it a little smoky flavor. The Everglades fish and chicken is just all around good. Don't have to salt, pepper, nothing. An hour in, I'll put a cast iron skillet of butter and seasoning out here and start basting it. So y'all hang loose. Alright, there it is. May have to wrap the ends of the drumsticks up with foil and the wings there, but we'll come back in about an hour and see what we're looking like. Alright, so I'm about an hour in on the cook. So right now I've got a little aluminum pan. I have a stick of butter, I don't know if you can see that, with some seasoning in there. Got the Everglades seasoning, I got cactus dust and fish and chicken. I'm going to set this in here. I don't have room for my little cast iron pan, so I'm going to put this on there next to the bird. I wish we could see better in there. The sun is right there on it. So let me grab my phone and I'll show you what it's going to look like. Alright, I'm an hour in, running about 311 degrees. Starting to get a little brown. So what I have a pan with a stick of butter, just unsalted butter and some seasoning in it. I'm going to slide the turkey over just a shade. There we go. We'll go ahead and melt that butter and then we'll start basting this thing and let me get out of the way. And what I'm going to go ahead and do now is go ahead and put my probe in. Let's see, we'll go ahead and put it in right here. No, we won't. Put it in right there. Get my probe in. Right now is at 127 degrees on the inside. Cover it back up and go for about another hour, As soon as the butter gets melted, we'll start basting this thing. Alright, so it's been 2 hours and 10 minutes, and hopefully you can tell what I'm doing by my phone. But right now we're at 169 degrees on the breast meat, 300 on the grill. I'm gonna come over here and show you what we got. I've been basting it about every 10-15 minutes. I put one big applewood chunk in there, and it's been smoking the whole time. They don't like it real smoky and all, but it's gonna be just right, I believe. It's about what I do every year. So anyway, I'm gonna walk over here and show you what I got. Alright, 2 hours and 15 minutes. Pulled it off at 170. I'm fixing to wrap it up in foil. There it is right there. Smells great, looks great. Alright, so I got the bird sitting here on the table. I got my handy dandy fillet knife. We're going to carve this thing up and put it in a bowl so it's easier to transport. So let me put you up here on the table and show you what it looks like. Alright, get it out of the foil here. Each one of these pieces has a little joint here that we just pull it away from. Should be able to. Been sitting about 30 or 40 minutes. That is beautiful. Perfectly, look how juicy it is. Oh man. Delicious. There's a big old wing. There's the drumhead off the wing. Now the breast. There's a drumstick. Now the wing and the drumhead. Another piece for the chef. All right, I believe the rest of it's gonna be for me. So, one more taste, brining the turkey makes all the difference in the world. It makes it so juicy and so flavorful. Hope everybody out there has a great Thanksgiving and enjoys time with your family and friends. And I'm gonna leave it at that. And then until the next video, thanks for watching.